And what if the government gave out free money to buy an EV? Well, it's not too far off from reality. According to the US Department of the Treasury and the IRS, the federal government has saved consumers over $1 billion by issuing tax credits for electric vehicle buyers. And that's just so far in 2024. Those credits are worth $4,000 for buyers of used EVs and $7,500 for new EV buyers at the point of sale. That's thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act. And yes, you heard right, customers could get an immediate discount right when they're buying an EV. Prior to this year, consumers had to wait until filing their annual tax return to get the credit. Now, this is part of the Biden administration's push to make EVs more affordable and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Despite the federal push, EV makers have been struggling to attract new customers. Just this week, we spoke to John Lawler, CFO of Ford, and Paul Jacobson, CFO of General Motors, on waning EV adoption. Take a listen.
The way we think about EVs, it's not a matter of if, it's when and how fast. And so we did see a slowdown relative to what people expected. But I think there was a false signal coming out of COVID is how quick the demand was going to grow.
We've actually seen EV growth moderate a little bit this year for the industry.
Now, despite the government push, it seems like it still isn't enough in entirety for consumers to make the switch. We've gotten past the early adoption phase, and we'll see what the next implemented strategy is to get more EV buyers into the market.